everyone, Mitsubishi is preparing a completely new generation of a compact crossover called the Eclipse Cross. The first and only generation of this model debuted in 2017, becoming a serial version of the Japanese concept XR-PHEV. But the second generation will be made according to a completely different recipe. The new model will be based on the French crossover Renault Scenic hatchback. This means that the body, interior and technical part will be almost the same, with the exception of some details. Surely, in the appearance we will see only different wheel rims, original optics and redesigned bumpers. In the cabin and under the hood, there will be even fewer differences. The current Scenic is offered in two electric versions to choose from. The basic modification has one electric motor with a capacity of 170 horsepower, is equipped with a battery with a capacity of 60 kilowatts h and can travel 420 kilometers on a single charge. The top version is also front-wheel drive, but its power is already 218 horsepower, and under the floor it has an enlarged battery of 87 kilowatts h, providing a power reserve of 620 kilometers. The premiere of the new crossover will take place in the fall of this year. Closer to this time, we will learn more detailed information about the new model. Thanks for watching.